Okay, so that's our first things from Shadow Boxer by the Angels. This one is by request. We're gonna have this D power chord, 5, 7, 7, starting on the A string. We have, so it's down, down, up, down, up. It's like 1, 2, and 4, and. Then we go to the C power chord, down, down, up, and then to the G, same thing. So all together we do this 3 times. We're gonna have 2, 3, 4. That D chord for 2 whole bars. Let me get into the verse. The verse is just gonna hit this D chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're gonna do 4 bars of that. And then we're gonna go to the 8th fret, the F, 2 bars of that, 2 bars of this G on the 10th fret. So let's try that. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 4 times. There we go to 8. 2 times. 10. Back into part A. Okay, so we just do it 2 times there, and then we're back into this verse. 3rd time, 4th bar, F, 2nd bar, G, 2nd bar. Okay, now we're going to do part A, but only once. Now we're into the chorus. We're gonna go. So the only thing that's different is kind of like just 2 hits. It kind of hits a little harder with the new chorus words and stuff. So C, G. So just 2 times, and then we're jumping to this F chord. We'll do the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in a heavy rock tune like this, you don't have to go down and up. You can do like all downs if it sounds heavier, because it's not all that fast, you know. You really have to do downs and ups when it's so fast that you really need to. So we got F. We come up to the A here. And then we're gonna come up to this B on the 7, 9, 9 on the big string. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we held for 4 beats and then 2 more beats in the next measure. And then we hit on the 3rd and 4th beat, we hit the 7 and then hit the 5 down to the 3. So let's look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we did 7, 3, 4, 1, 2, 7, 5, 3. We hold that the same amount of time. We go 3, 2, open. And we hold that open E for 2 whole bars there. And then we get into it. A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so it started just with quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we're into the solo. So let's take a look at everything we got. 2, 3, 4. Verse. Part A, twice. Part B again, verse. 4 bars. Okay, so we did the A part just once there. And then we get into this chorus part. Kind of 2 hits each on those. Then we got F, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, G, F sharp, E, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we got this new A part. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so now chorus 2 is gonna go 3 times. Back to your F to A. And then we have the solo, so we're gonna go. So we got 7, 7, and then 7, 6, 7, 6. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. have 7 to 9 on the G, 7 on the B, bend that 10, then regular 10. We have a bend up and down on that 4 in the G to the 2. And that 2 holds like another measure there. So we got. Okay, so here we have the 7 on the G, and then 6 on the G to 5 on the B and back. So it's 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7. So we do repeat that one section once. So now this next one goes. So we had that 6 and then 5, 7, 8 on the second. So all together with the solo we got. Okay, then we have some unison bends. Okay, then we jump way up into this 15 and 17 up in here, but let's look at these. So we had 3 on the second string, we bend the 5, so it's. So that third one's kind of quicker. These are like a beat and a half each. And that one's just your 4th beat. So we do that twice. We come to the 7th fret with the first finger. We're bending the 9, then we come to the 10, bend the 12. And then we have the 17 and 15. So it's kind of like you do the unison bend, and then you hit that 15 again. And we do that like 8 times. So it's like 2 measures worth, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you're going to bend that one and hold it for a couple bars there. And then we have a new thing. Okay, and that goes twice. So we have 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to keep that same strum. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, and we go from B to G to low E up to A twice. So 2, 3, 4. Then we have chorus 2. 3 times here. And then we have that D section. Okay, we're not going to do the, we don't go up as high as that one, so we just do the 10s. So here we're going to bend this 13 on the second, up and down. This is the very end. So we had a hammer on, 10 to 11 on the G. Pull off, 12 to 10 on the D. And then you're going to hit a D power chord. All right, Shadow Boxer by the Angels. Sorry it took so long on this one, but cool tune. Hope you all dig it. Tabs with this. Talk to you later.